turn until the last chain. I come to the last of the first row. The last, make double crochet and 2 chain, 1, 2, and turn work. Make half double crochet in this hole 2 times. 1, 2, and next hole do the same. 1, 2, until the last of the second row. The last stitch of the second row, make half double crochet and start the third row. T chain, skip 1 chain and take the second 1, 2, and turn work. Three, 4, 5, and together. Next, make the star pattern in the hole and back side. And this 3, 4, 5 together, and make the star pattern. Repeat the row like the first row. Now I finish star pattern 14 row. After, make single crochet around short side, long side, around all. One chain and turn work and make single crochet in each stitch.